Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College with your Monday look at the markets. Okay, let's dive into the Aussie yen. I think it's been a great market to trade. We've had a fantastic buy signals, and it's just been all the way up. Aussie has been a great currency pair to trade. It is a commodity currency. We've seen the commodities booming and pushing higher. However, I think the Aussie yen, we're just going to see a little bit of a pullback to 82.50, possibly 82. Now, we've got this shooting star candlestick right at the high. A shooting star candlestick is a reversal candlestick. It is a reversal if it's at the end of a trend. Now, if we close like this, with a shooting star where the body of the candlestick's right at its low of the range of the day, then the sellers are in control on the day and they're going to try and push this market lower. So I'm expecting a 50 to 100 point pullback on the Aussie yen. Now, Aussie dollar, incredible. We are strong, we are long. We had a buy signal 76.74 on the green period trading system. We're hitting target after target. 78.88 has been hit on Sunday night's candlestick, and on Monday here we're pushing nicely higher, especially against the US dollar. Been very weak, the US dollar. We had a kickback rally last week on the US dollar, but I'm expecting lower prices, and especially against the Aussie dollar. The Aussie's been so strong, so against the US dollar it's doing ever so well, and we've seen this nice momentum push to the upside, and I'm expecting further prices to increase and go up. Eurodollar's been great. We've been day trading this today because we had a green buy signal on Sunday, and now we've got a green confirmed buy signal on Monday here today. So I'm looking for 122.01, 122.86. Now the question is, do you want to be in Aussie dollar and Euro dollar against the US dollar? Well, I'm trying to work a day trade and try and get my stop to break even on this and hang on for a swing trade up to that 122 at least, and then 122.86. So Euro dollar, actually we're in a buy mode today. The only thing that will rule that out, if we just pop higher here and then we start to roll over and turn red and break these trend lines, then I'm going to get out the trade. But of course, at the moment, that's my duty as a trader. I've got to go long because I've got the buy signal here. Okay, so that's really nice. Now, looking at the German DAX, we're just sort of red here and sideways. It's sort of in no man's land. We're not doing anything, but it's really good this, because we've got some clear entry signals to want to get short if it does start to break down. We've got a red PTS, which means sellers are in control, but we're holding here and we're stuck inside these moving averages. Now, if we close like this today, all you've got to do is put that order 1 point above, I beg your pardon, let me start again, 1 point below today's low, which is at 13.795, because it's 13.796. So put it 1 point below, because if we break this type of candlestick, which at the moment it's setting up a bit of a, it's not a hammer because it's not at the bottom of the trend, but it is setting up some sort of doji type candlestick here, and so it's a bit of indecision day as we speak. But if we break down with this red PTS, break that low, then I'm fully expecting these targets 13.600 guys and 13.178. okay, so watching that, maybe Tuesday, but it'd be good to see how it closes today on Monday. And then the final one, in fact, I'm just going to go off topic a little bit and go to MICT, which is a stock that I've been watching for a long time. This company has huge potential. We made this big rounded bottom and we keep trying. It's not very liquid, not much volume in this market, but this is the place we want to be interested. We don't want to buy up here, do we? We want to look at it around here. We're getting momentum shifting higher. PTS has given another buy. If we can get above this $3 area, then this could really take off. So I'm looking at MICT. Obviously, do your own research with that. That is in the US indexes. Stock market indices, any others really? The Dow, sort of nothing. We're getting some red PTS signals here, which is a little bit worrying for the bulls, but nothing major at the moment. And I think crude oil, as we continue on the march higher, let's find oil, US oil, not Brent, just a lovely buy signal, continues to stay green and long and strong. How far could crude oil go? If we look at the monthly chart, and we were 3 months, beg your pardon, 4 months, 3.5 months into, because this is a live candlestick, 64.15. If we start getting above $65, that makes a higher high, then we could see much higher prices. Oh, how I wish I was still in my long trade all the way, back at, I don't know, where was it on the weekly chart when it literally collapsed, and down here. And it was a great speculative buy. I wish I was still in it. I think I was getting out of it around here where it turned red. So, I've had ample opportunities to get back into it, and I haven't done. I've been concentrating on other markets, like the pound Swissy. This has been a great trade, continues to be a great trade. Pound Swissy has been beautiful. We had a nice buy signal here at 120.50. It's up like 500 points. What a lovely move. But we're into a major trend line. We're going to discuss this tonight at our Trading College Scan Club that we hold every Monday evening. All right, guys, that's your weekly look at the markets. Keeping an eye on that Aussie yen, Aussie dollar, euro dollar, and just keeping an eye on the backdrop of the DAX if it breaks below those lows. Have a great rest of the day. Speak to you soon.